好，我哋上一條片咧就講到咧乜嘢叫 average rate、instantaneous rate 同埋initial rate 啦。當我哋去揾到咧呢啲嘅 graph 嘅時候咧，自自然然咧我哋咧就揾到個 rate 㗎啦，就係因為佢我哋畫翻個 slope 啊，畫翻個 tangent 啦，計翻個 slope 嘅時候，我哋就揾到個 rate 㗎啦。咁呢個咧就係我哋點揾個 rate 嘅方法。咁 that's why 咧，其實咧我哋只要咧畫到呢種嘅 graph 咧，就揾到個 rate 㗎啦。OK，咁呢個 graph 點樣畫咧？其實就係睇翻咧個 reactance 少咗幾多啦，嗰個 change in reactance 啦，或者 change in 個 product，再揾翻即係唔同嘅時間佢嗰個reactant 或者 product 嘅變化咧，咁就 OK 噶啦。咁以下落嚟咧，我就會講到咧唔同嘅方法啊，去 monitor 住嗰個嘅 chemical reaction 嗰個嘅 progress 啊，嗰個嘅過程啊。OK，有兩種方法嘅，一種方法咧就係 measure the observable physical property 啦，一啲我哋可以量度到嘅一啲嘅 physical properties，譬如係有冇啲 gas 去放出嚟啊，個 pressure 有冇變到啊。另外一個方法咧就係用一個 titrametric analysis 嘅，OK，即係做 titration 嘅，之後講到噶啦會。OK，咁樣首先去講到咧一啲。去睇翻啲 observable physical properties，從而咧去 monitor 住嗰個嘅 reaction 嘅，OK。咁例如第一個咧就係咧 measure the change in the gas volume using a syringe at regular time interval。呢一句嘅意思係乜嘢咧？就例如我做緊呢一個 reaction 啦。calcium carbonate 同埋一個 hydrochloric acid 做 reaction，然後就 form 到 CO2 係咪啊？會 form 到 CO2，即係有 gas form 啦。所以我不斷做呢個 reaction 嘅時候，每秒鐘其實我不斷可以落量度住，其實佢放住幾多個 gas 咯。好啦，假設咧。我每10秒咧，我就係量度咧佢有幾多個 gas form，最尾咧其實我就 plot 到呢個 graph 出嚟㗎啦。嗱，呢個就係個 reaction 啦。當個 reaction 一做嘅時候，就會啲 gas bubble 放出嚟啦。咁然後咧。呢度嘅 gas 咧就會拱開你個 gas syringe，咁你就會見到咧個 volume 就會變化咗啦。OK，咁而乜嘢叫measure the change in the gas volume using a gas syringe at regular time interval 咧？就係講緊咧 at regular time interval 就講緊咧就每唔知幾多秒咧就度一度佢個 gas volume 嗰個嘅變化。譬如你可以5秒度一次，譬如你可以10秒度一次。你越短嘅時間去 record 低嗰個 gas volume 咧，你呢條線咧其實就會係越似呢一個樣嘅。OK，如果你譬如呢個係1秒度一次嘅咁樣先算啦，咁有好多交叉，咁你就畫到一條好靚嘅 curve 啦。但係譬如你10秒度一次嘅話，咁呢條 curve 咧呢度有個點，呢度有一點，呢度有一點嘅可能係啦。咁你條 graph 咧可能未必係咁靚嘅，OK。咁但係即係呢度就想同你講就係，如果嗰個 regular time interval 咧，如果距離越近嘅時候咧，咁呢條 graph 應該就會越靚啦，OK。咁呢個咧就係 based on 咧。嗰個 gas volume 嗰個變化啦，出咗幾多嘅 CO2 咧，從而咧去 plot 翻一個咁嘅 graph 嘅。OK，睇一睇呢個 graph 咯。咁呢個 graph 咧，咁就同你講咗咧，譬如係10秒嘅時候咧，咁就會放咗20 cm cube 嘅 CO2 啦。30秒嘅時候咧，就放咗大概45個 CO2 啦。我唔記得第一節記唔記得啦？呢一條 tangent 如果插住 time equal to zero，其實就係 instantaneous rate at time equal to zero，其實就講乜嘢啊？其實就係一個 initial rate 咯。一開始個 reaction 最快嘅速度咧，就喺 initial rate 入邊發生嘅。你會見到咧個 slope 係最斜嘅，然後咧慢慢呢個 slope 咧係會慢慢會平嘅，去到最尾啦，做完 reaction 嗰陣時候咧係直情係等於零嘅。OK，就代表佢 complete 咗 reaction 啦。呢個位就係 complete reaction 啦。好，咁呢條 graph 咧有咩嘅嘢同你講到咧？其實就係講到咧，當個 concentration 啊不斷跌嘅時候啊，concentration 跌啦，不斷做 reaction 會 concentration 會跌噶嘛。然後咧嗰個 rate 咧 of the reaction 咧都會點啊？rate of reaction 都會跌啦，就係因為你少咗啲嘅 concentration of the reactant 啦，自然個 rate 咪會慢咗咯，係啊。咁所以見到咧你啲 slope 咧係會不斷去咧平咗落嚟，less steep 嘅，OK。咁只要其實咧，你見到咧，你個 reaction 咧係有 gas form 嘅時候咧，你就可以用呢個方法啦，去睇個 gas volume 嘅變化，用 gas syringe 同埋 at regular time interval 呢個字係重要嘅，就代表每幾多秒去睇一睇個 gas volume 係幾多。而呢個圖咧，你都係要識畫嘅，OK？點樣去做嗰個嘅reaction 個 experimental setup 點樣做，先做到呢一個嘅 monitor 到嗰個 reaction progress 嘅，OK？第二個方法啦，除咗 measure 嗰個嘅 gas volume 之後咧，其實亦都可以 measure 乜嘢啊？measure the change in pressure of the reaction system using a pressure sensor, which is connected to a data logger, and finally at regular time interval 又係啦，每唔知幾多秒去睇一睇個 pressure 嘅變化，咁你咪亦都去 monitor 住嗰個 reaction 嗰個 progress 咯。我幾時完，幾時開始，幾時 reaction 係最快嘅，就睇佢個 pressure 嘅變化啦。咁點解可以睇到 pressure 嘅變化？因為呢個 reaction 入邊咧都有乜嘢啊？都有 gas form 嘅，OK， 都有 gas form 嘅。有 gas form 嘅時候，代表個 pressure of the system 其實都會點啊？會不斷升緊啦。OK，呢個位置會嗰個 pressure 會不斷升啦。That's why 你會見到咧個 pressure 不斷升，升到最尾之後咧，其實就會平啦，就代表完咗 reaction 啦。 可以再睇睇呢個 graph 咯，你睇呢個 graph 咧，佢嗰條線咧其實唔係插住零，我插住大概應該係101呢個位嘅 Pascal 嘅，代表乜嘢咧？因為個 reaction system 入邊咧，點解唔係零啊個 pressure？因為其實呢個位置咧都有啲 gas 喺入邊嘅，OK？咁啊假設咗 atmospheric pressure 啦，咁 atmospheric pressure 就係大氣即係壓呢個情況下啦，OK？atmospheric 個 pressure 啦，所以佢唔會係零嘅，零係代表真空啊嘛，OK？咁我哋正常唔會真空嘅情，即係喺我哋地球邊唔係真空啊嘛，我哋唔係宇宙啊嘛，係咪？咁 that's why 咧呢個位置咧係有嗰個value 喺度嘅，而 which is 應該大概101嘅，OK？咁你見到所以就會之後就慢慢升上去啦，OK？咁啊點解一開始升得快啲啊？因為佢放嘅H2 會多啲咯，多啲嘅時候個 pressure 咪升得快啲咯，呢個位置係一樣解釋嘅啫，OK？咁呢個就係可以 measure 個 pressure 嘅變化啦，從而咧去 monitor 住個 reaction progress 嘅，OK？好啦，咁呢一個 reaction 咧，其實亦都可以咧，同我用翻啱啱之前頭先個方法一樣嘅，可以 measure 到 gas volume of the hydrogen gas produced by gas syringe at regular time interval。呢個咧都可以 monitor 住個 reaction progress 嘅，OK？咁最尾一個方法啦，就係 measure the change in mass of the reaction system using electronic balance at regular time interval 啊，就係睇乜嘢啊？今次係睇咧嗰個嘅reaction system 嗰個 mass 嘅變化，咁點解有變化？你睇一睇呢一條 reaction 喎，又係啦 calcium carbonate 同 acid react 啦，然後 form CO2。咁做呢個 reaction 就係咁嘅 set up 啦。你見到咧應該不斷有啲 CO2 放出嚟啦。咁點解又會有個 mass 嘅變化？你見唔見到又有 CO2 放咗出嚟啊？有 CO2 放咗出嚟嘅時候，即係離開咗呢個叫 reaction mixture 啦，離開落咗呢個 reaction mixture，咁再擺喺個electronic balance 去當嘅時候，其實咧就會即係當唔到，即係 CO2 就走咗，咪輕咗咯，所以咪 OK。咁 that's why 咧，你會見到咧，其實咧嗰個嘅 mass of the fast container 咧，即係或者加埋個 container 嘅話咧，你見到咧個 mass 係會不斷跌落去嘅。OK，會不斷跌落去嘅。我呢條 graph 咁就係講緊咧呢一度，因為有啲 CO2 走咗啦。OK，因為個 y-axis 而家咧就係嗰個嘅 mass of fast and also the content，即係 overall 成個 fast 係應該會不斷跌緊嘅。咁呢個正常應該冇問題㗎啦。咁但係下邊嗰條線你見到係升緊嘅喎，但係 represent 緊同一個 reaction 嘅話，睇緊啲乜嘢咧？好，上邊咧你睇清楚，佢係個 mass of the 即係 mass 嘅 of fast 同埋個 content 啦，但係下邊咧係 mass of CO2 released 啊。mass of CO2 release 即係乜嘢？佢放咗幾多 CO2？佢係睇緊咧佢呢個 system 入邊啊 lost 咗幾多嘅 mass 啊。OK，所以咧時間越長嘅時候咧，佢 loss of the mass 應該會越嚟越高咯。咁 which is 咁其實就係嗰個嘅 mass of carbon dioxide 咯。OK，咁所以你見到咧。時間不斷升嘅時候咧，不斷過去做嘅時候咧，你見到不斷會多啲 CO2 放出嚟啊嘛，咁個 mass of CO2 release 咪會上升咯。其實只不過係調轉咗個 graph 啫。OK，呢一個嘅 gap 位咧，呢一個嘅 difference 咧，應該同最尾個 difference 咧係一模一樣嘅。OK，用咗唔同嘅方法啫。OK，咁所以咧。呢一個 reaction 咧，其實咧我哋可以除咗即係可以 measure 嗰個 volume 啦，measure pressure 之外咧，亦都可以 measure 個 change in the mass of the reaction system using electronic balance 嘅。咁但係咪次次都可以用呢一個咧？見到有 gas form 就可以用呢個方法咧？就唔係嘅。有邊啲唔可以咧？嗱，如果咧你見到個 reaction 咧係 produce H2 嘅話咧，呢個 method 咧就唔可以用嘅。點解咧？因為 H2 太輕啦。OK，H2 太輕啦，嗰個 mass 嘅變化咧太細啦。OK，太細啦。咁所以咧其實係好難度到出嚟嘅。OK，所以如果咧個 reaction 好似上面咁樣 form H2 嘅話咧，呢個 reaction 咧我哋係唔可以 measure the change in the mass of the system 嘅。OK，咁呢個方法咧就用唔到啦。OK，咁最尾呢個位置啦，咁呢個格咧其實就啱啱同啱啱講嗰樣嘢啦。Decrease in the mass of the reaction mixture 咧等於咧個 mass of gas produced 嘅。OK， 唔明啊，自己睇明佢啦。呢個位置應該唔難明嘅。咁我哋啱啱就講咗3個嘅方法啦 monitor 住個 reaction progress 啦。一係 measure the change in gas volume using a gas syringe at regular time interval。你見到答題技巧咧係乜嘢咧？佢會俾乜嘢你咧？考試就俾條 reaction 你，問你點樣去 monitor 住個 reaction progress。一定要咁樣寫 measure 啲乜嘢嘅變化。呢個係嗰個 change。係 change in 啲乜嘢 ？OK， 首先 change 呢個 change in gas volume 啦，然後用啲乜嘢嘅 apparatus， 最尾咧一定要寫到咧 at regular time interval。OK， 後邊一樣嘅 measure 個 change in 啲乜嘢 ？OK， 然後用乜嘢嘅 apparatus， 最尾 at regular time interval。OK， 幾多秒讀一次？最尾又係啦 ，measure change in 乜嘢啦？apparatus 同埋 at regular time interval， 咁呢3個咧就係嗰個睇住個 physical property 有啲咩變化啦，從而去 monitor 住嗰個嘅 reaction progress 嘅。